What's the meaning of bilingual? Bilingual. Bilingual.
Bilingual. Bilingual. The term bilingual refers to an individual or community that is proficient in two languages. This term can describe a range of language abilities, from basic conversational fluency in both languages to near-native proficiency in both. Being bilingual has numerous cognitive, social, and economic benefits, including enhanced problem-solving skills, improved memory and attention, and better job prospects. Bilingualism is also associated with increased cultural awareness and empathy, as individuals who are fluent in multiple languages are often more open-minded and accepting of diversity. Additionally, being bilingual allows for greater access to a wider range of literature, media, and information sources.